Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here. I want to bring you the Rhema knot. This is the 500th knot that I've created. Wow, what a journey it's been. So let's go ahead and get started. This is my left side, it's at the belt line. One tie, well, that's obvious. So let's go ahead and put in a dimple here. And we're just going to bring it over to the center, come across like this. You guys know the drill. We've done this move quite a few times. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring the tie straight back down like this, and then come back over like this, and then kind of at an angle like so. So we have this. I'm going to come around it like this. Then I'm going to come back through like this here. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a quick wreath right here. Bring it around. And then as I'm back on this side, the opposite side, I'm gonna leave it folded in half and come up like this. What I want to do is I want to kind of open up this here like a bowl and leave that right there. This is going to be folded in half, come back across like that. Now let me put my collar down so you can see it. So we got the wreath over here. That's a little red thread in the tie. That's only unique to this tie. That it's gonna look cool in the picture on Instagram, but it's not really necessary. So there you got this little bowl right here, kind of a thing. You got this wreath right here, and you got this fold up over here like this. I'm gonna make sure that stays like that. So there you have it. On your side, my friends, you're fearfully more information. Catch you in the next video.